Hi everyone! Let's make this cute envelope. It's super easy and fun to create. Look at all these beautiful star details. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!
Hi, my crafty friends. Today, we're turning a simple pink sheet of paper into the cutest little envelope ever. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy to make it. Just grab a sheet of A4 paper and let's create something adorable together. First, we're going to fold the paper carefully to create the basic shape of our envelope. Take your time with each fold because those little details will make the final result look so neat and pretty. Now comes my favorite part, decorating. Let's add a few cute little details and give our envelope its own special personality. Oh my gosh, look how cute it turned out. I absolutely love this soft pink color. But now I want to know something from you. If you could put a little letter inside this envelope, who would you give it to? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to hear your ideas. And don't go anywhere because we're not finished yet. Our next paper craft might be even cuter.